Hi there. I'm Chris. And I'm the founder of Digital Nomad Mentors. Before that, I was one of the millions of employees out there, working 70 hours a week, living paycheck by paycheck, trying to sustain a home and a family with 2 kids. No quality time with my family and my kids. Feeling stressed constantly. On how to support my family, how to pay the bills, even how to put food on the table sometimes. I even went to the hospital, because of chest pains and panic attacks. This had to change. And it did. I found a way to replace my corporate salary, without having to spend 10 hours at work every day. I want to help people like this, remove the unnecessary and damaging stress from their life, by sharing how, with an automated online business, it's possible to work for yourself, and replace your corporate salary, and never have to suffer stressful days, ever again. How many times have you come home, and take your stress and frustration out on the ones that you love? How much longer are you going to let yourself and your family suffer? Do you really want to experience burnout, or even worse, a heart attack? Trust me, I've been there. You don't want that. Did you know that there are many ways of earning an income online these days? That anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can start an online business from the comfort of their own home? You don't need any previous experience, any product, or any service to sell. All you need is a willingness to learn something new, so you can free yourself from the corporate lifestyle. I'm here sharing my story with you today, so you don't have to go through what I went through. And that's why I am offering you a series of free informational videos that set out for you different options for replacing your income with an automated online business. To get them, hit the link below and sign up for free and educate yourself on what could be an alternative way of living and working that's a lot less stressful than what you're doing right now. That's what I did, and I consider myself lucky that I did so, because I can choose when and how much I work, can choose to spend my time the way I want. My business attracts customers I enjoy working with, and I love serving them. It doesn't even feel like work anymore because I enjoy what I do. And the best thing? Once you learn the skills and get the system working, pretty much runs itself. Meaning that you don't spend all your time there. Plus, there is no limit on how much you can earn. If you think this sounds worth learning a bit more about, click the link below, invest a bit of time in watching the videos, and decide if this is for you or not. It's up to you, the choice is yours. Your future is in your hands. Thank you for your time.